Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this beauty, the Wasabi Power Kit BB-NPBX1. I think that's the name, made in China. It's like a battery for different cameras, and for example for the FDR X3000, so the ones that Baldr and Bankrupt is using, Harald Baldr is using, Kurt Caz is using. Alright, let's just unpack it. We've rambled on enough. It's in a tiny package. Well, it says Wasabi Power. Let's open this manual. It says 3 years of warranty. Nice. But I want to see the product, so here we go. Whoa. And we have two little boxes, some cable. We're gonna have a look at this right now, at the cable. What cable is this? It is a micro USB to USB-A to charge. Let's get the charger out. This pretty thing. Well, so two sides. You can put in both of them. That's pretty awesome. And then you just plug this one in here. Did I do it right? I did. It's just a little. Now, and this one into a computer or into a power bank via USB-A. Alright, then let's get to the two batteries. Let's unpack a tiny one. Perfect. And the other one as well. Whoa. Let's see. Alright. They look the same. It says Wasabi Power NPBX1. The camera is not focusing properly. I'm just gonna try to put that in here. Should be like this. Is that right? Does it? It sticks a little, but it's not like fully proof in, I would say. Alright, yeah, like it comes out pretty easily if you do like this, but not a problem. Like you're not like carrying it like this. Maybe you are while traveling, but probably shouldn't be charging like this. And if like it comes to the worst, you can just you can just put some like tape around here, or like kind of like a zipper, not like a zipper, but the different one. I don't know how it's called. Anyway, I think I've rambled on enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you like to see more product reviews. Not reviews, but like unboxings. Wow, today I'm messing up a lot. Alright, but this is a one take. I'm not gonna do it again. And hope you have a nice day. See you another time. Bye bye.